Welcome to Crowing FPV. Now, I don't really ever jump onto any of these kind of leak type scenarios or situations, but for this one, I feel that I want to. I'm really excited about the DJI AVATA and for the new DJI goggles and air units, if what they're saying is going to be true. But we do have some new leaks, and I wanted to put them out here onto my channel here because it looks like it's going to be very, very soon that these are going to be showing up. Adorama has posted some accessories that you can purchase, so that means it's generally going to be right around the corner that this drone is going to be popping up for purchase. So here is a video of people flying this indoors, and it looks stable as can be. And the best part is, if you look here, they're also using the DJI FPV controller, which is this one here. So if you already have a DJI FPV drone, you already have this controller, and you can save a little bit of money and use that in manual mode. And with the DJI AVATA's battery, it looks like it's going to be running for about 18 minutes. So in real life, real scenarios, I would say probably 10 to 15 minute flight time, which is pretty significant, and that's a pretty long flight time for a Cinewhoop really of any size. As far as pricing goes, DroneXL released some speculations on what the packaging price is going to be. And as you see here, the Pro View combo, which is the AVATA, the new goggles, and the motion controller, looks like it's going to be right around that $1,400 range. They also offer this package with the current goggles that are out in the market now, which is the DJI goggles version 2. So you can save a little bit of money going with more of, I guess, what they would consider the entry-level DJI digital goggles. If you're looking to just purchase the quad itself, if you already have the version 2 goggles, if you already have a DJI FPV controller 2, then you can just simply purchase this for around $629. Now, keep in mind that these prices are like leaked speculation. These are not set in stone. Generally, they're probably going to be pretty accurate to what the cost of these products are. I would say that the pricing that they have on this goes pretty much hand in hand with, like, for instance, the DJI FPV drone. It's pretty similar in price, and if you think about it for what you're getting and what it is, the prices are not that expensive. Like, for instance, this drone here, just by itself at $629. If you go and purchase a bind and fly Cinewhoop, you're getting pretty close to that price already with the current DJI digital system. Now, here is a side-by-side comparison of the specs, mainly for the camera, between the DJI FPV and the DJI AVATA. So you get an upgraded sensor size, more megapixels, a little bit more field of view. Pretty much all in all, it's going to be quite a bit of an upgrade on the camera system, which is fantastic. So with this bigger sensor, you're going to get better quality photos. You're going to also get pretty much twice the range on the ISO, which is going to be really good for a lower light situation. So excited to see just how this quad is going to do video-wise. And with built-in stabilization, who knows, it could be amazing.